in a matter where a 26-year-old woman named X, name intentionally hidden, approached the Delhi Commission for Women accusing her parents of forcing her to get married against her will. And a writ petition was preferred by her against her own production. The Delhi High Court in this matter ordered the Delhi police to drop X to the residence of social activist Shabnam Hashmi, where she would reside for the next few days.
The Supreme Court, while recording its reasons for granting bail to Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief of Republic TV, observed that criminal law should not become a tool for selective harassment of citizens. The Supreme Court bench, led by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Indira Banerjee, further remarked that deprivation of liberty for a single day is a day too many.
The Maharashtra government has announced a financial aid of Rs 5,000 per month for women whose livelihood depends on sex work without requirement of an identity proof. The government would also provide an additional Rs 2,500 per month for their children. The scheme would continue till the end of the year. The decision comes in the light of the directions issued by the Supreme Court in Buddhadev Karmaskar vs. State of West Bengal and others.
Good evening. In today's bulletin, the Bombay High Court on Friday quashed the demolition order issued by BMC against Kangana Ranaut's bungalow, stating that the order was actuated with legal malice.
A special NIA court in Mumbai directed the concerned medical officer in Taloja jail to reply to the requirement of a straw and a sipper along with winter clothes filed by the 83-year-old father Stan Swamy, who suffers from Parkinson's disease, after the National Investigation Agency expressed its inability to supply a straw and sipper for the Jesuit priest who is accused in the caste-based violence at Bhima Goregaon.
Moving on to the farmer protest going on in North India. Today, the farmers were allowed to enter Delhi for planned protest after a morning of clashes with police on Delhi-Haryana border. However, even after the Delhi police announced that they will be allowed to enter the city escorted by police, the tear gassing and water sprays continued, apparently to control the crowd. Some of the farmers reportedly have been injured in the action. Groups of farmers walking with trucks filled with food and other essential supplies have been trying to enter Delhi from different borders, some of which have been covered in barbed wires and defying barricades for protesting in Delhi. The farmers' organizations have stated that the farmers have been given a safe passage in Delhi for protesting at a ground near Burari at the outskirts of the capital city.